Keeping your plants healthy can be incredibly rewarding and not too difficult once you get the hang of it. Here are some tips to help ensure your plants thrive. 1. Understand your plants. Different plants have varying needs. Spend some time learning about each plant's specific requirements for light, water, soil type, and temperature. This will help you provide the best care and avoid common pitfalls. 2. Water properly. Water your plants when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Avoid the common mistake of overwatering by ensuring that the pots have adequate drainage holes to prevent water from pooling at the bottom. 3. Provide adequate light. Place your plants in locations that match their light preferences. For instance, succulents thrive in bright, direct sunlight, while many tropical plants do better in indirect light. Adjust the position of your plants based on their response to light changes. 4. Use appropriate soil. Use soil that matches your plant's needs. For example, succulents and cacti need well-draining soil to prevent root rot, while plants like orchids and ferns prefer a moisture-retentive mix. Refresh the soil if it becomes compacted or depleted over time. 5. Fertilize correctly. Apply fertilizer according to the recommended dosage and frequency on the label. Over-fertilizing can harm plants, so stick to the instructions and adjust based on the plant's growth stage, more during the growing season and less during dormancy. 6. Maintain proper humidity and temperature. Keep plants in a stable environment with consistent temperature and humidity. Avoid placing them near heating vents, air conditioners, or drafty windows. Some plants, especially tropical varieties, may need additional humidity, which can be provided with a humidifier or by placing a water tray nearby. 7. Control pests. Regularly check your plants for signs of pests like aphids, spider mites, or mealybugs. Use natural pest control methods such as neem oil or insecticidal soap to address infestations early and prevent them from spreading. 8. Prune and maintain. Regularly prune away dead or yellowing leaves to help the plant focus its energy on healthy growth. Pruning also improves air circulation and can reduce the risk of disease. 9. Keep clean. Wipe leaves with a damp cloth or give them a gentle shower to remove dust and debris. Clean pots and trays to prevent mold or mildew buildup, which can affect plant health and overall appearance. 10. Observe and adjust. Pay close attention to your plants and look for any signs of distress such as wilting, discolored leaves, or stunted growth. Adjust your care routine based on these observations to address any issues promptly and keep your plants thriving. 11. Support growth. Some plants, like tomatoes or climbing vines, need physical support as they grow. Use stakes, trellises, or cages to help them grow upright and avoid damage to stems and leaves. Regularly check that supports are secure and adjust as needed to accommodate growth. 12. Rotate plants. Rotate your plants periodically to ensure they receive uniform light exposure. This helps prevent one side from becoming leggy or weak as it strives to reach the light. Rotating also helps plants develop a more balanced shape and promotes overall healthy growth. These tips will help you provide comprehensive care for your plants, ensuring they stay healthy and vibrant.